Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, super excited, we're going to be doing another Jeffree Star Halloween mystery unboxing. So in my last video, I unboxed the biggest size box that there was. I did get the medium size as well as the smallest size, so I decided to save that for like a separate video. Alright, so if you guys want to see what I got in these mystery boxes, then let's just get to it. So we are going to be starting with the smallest box. This is the smallest box here. Like in all my other videos, hasn't been opened, tampered with, none of that. I'm going to be surprised with you guys. Alright, so I am just taking off the tape now. Alright, finally got it. Alright, so we have some black tissue paper. Oh boy, what do we got? First we got this guy here, which if you guys watched my last video, then you probably have an idea of what this is, at least what I think it is. I believe it's an item I got in the big box as well, so let's find out. And yes it is, I have a third mini breaker palette. That's right, third. This is just what the mini breaker palette looks like. Has a lot of really pretty purples, pinks. We have a couple oranges in there, and then a really nice kind of cool toned brown. This palette is absolutely beautiful. I have one for myself, and now I got two in the mystery boxes, so I'm probably going to end up setting up some giveaways so I can give these away to you guys. But yeah, such a gorgeous palette. Really, really like it. So I decided to grab my mini breaker so I can actually swatch a couple and show you guys like the pigmentation of them. So I'm going to swatch Orange Crush, so pretty. I'm going to swatch Foreplay. And then I'm going to swatch Purple Punch. And then I'm going to swatch Bubblegum. Yeah, these are so pretty, so pigmented, so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So the bubblegum shade, I think I need a little bit more. It didn't swatch as well as the others. But here are the 4 shades swatched. I'm also really dying to swatch that Slice shade. It's really kind of like a coppery golden shimmer metallic. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's absolutely stunning and breathtaking. It's literally like liquid gold. It's so pretty, so I'm definitely excited to put that one on my lid. But yeah, this palette swatched so beautifully, and now I have 2 others. So stay tuned. I'm definitely going to do a giveaway soon for one of those. Alright, let's see what else. What do we got? Oh, what's this? This is a velour liquid lipstick in Cherry Wet. Ooh, I don't have the shade. Although I do think I got a mini one of these in that set back there that I got in my last box. But I'm always up for a full size. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So this is actually kind of like a, is it a pinkish red? I don't know if it's my lighting, but it's kind of like a pinkish red. Yeah, it looks so much different swatch than it does in the bottle. This is the bottle, and then this is what it looks like swatched on my hand. But it's so pretty. I think it's going to look really, really nice on my lips. So I'm super excited for that. Right, let's see what else. Oh, there's 2 more items. So I grabbed one. So we have, ooh, another looks like Halloween lip. Oh, I want to get that on my sweater. This is the packaging, and it's in the shade Soul Sucker, which I did not get. So let's see. Wow, that is so pretty. I can't tell if this is like a green with gold specks or like a black with gold specks. Hi, Mishi. Are you giving lovin', huh? Time for lovin'? Let's see. Ooh, so pretty. Not sure if you guys can see what Soul Sucker looks like. Super, super stunning shade. I still can't tell in this lighting. I think it's either black, maybe black with some green and gold like specks in it, but it's really, really pretty shade. So maybe I'll wear this one for Halloween. I don't know. Alright, so I believe there was one last, yep, feels like one last one. So we have a lip ammunition Ooh, in brown sugar. This is what the box looks like. The packaging is so pretty. I'm obsessed. I love it. Whoa. That is gorgeous. Can you guys see that? Literally like a golden coppery like metallic shade. Kind of like that color from the mini breaker palette. So pretty. So I'm trying to figure out where I can swatch it. Let's try to do it at the very edge of my hand. Ooh, so pretty. That's beautiful. So that is what brown sugar looks like. Really pretty, like a golden cinnamon copper color. I feel like it's going to look really pretty in the summer, like when I have a tan. Maybe not for winter, but definitely going to save that to wear during the summertime. It's absolutely stunning. Went on really nice and buttery, so definitely excited for that. So here are the items that I got in the smallest mystery box. Got a mini breaker, and then we got 2 velour lipsticks and 1 of the lip ammunitions. So definitely a great box, especially for the price. I wish I could remember the price. I think it was in the like late 20s, I want to say, for the box. So it's definitely really, really great value for the price. Okay guys, so next we are on to the middle-sized box. Pretty decent size, as you guys can see. Super excited to see what's in this one. I know there's going to be some type of clothing option in here because it gave me a size option as I was checking out, so I'm super excited about that. One thing I wasn't too stoked about is my box came like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Literally, you could probably take something out of there so easily. I don't think anything is missing, but we will definitely open it up and see if there is. And again, all taped up, hasn't been opened, so I'm going to open it now. Alright, so let's open it up. Alright, so we have, this is what you see when you first open it up, which I'm kind of going to grab this guy first. So we have a Liquid Frost in Chill Zone, which is exciting. I don't think I have this color. Ooh, this is pretty. Whoa, is this like an orange? What? Oh my god, is this like a bronzy, like, whoa. Oh my gosh, what? So that is just what Chill Zone looks like. It's like an orangey copper shade. I'm getting so many colors that are going to be perfect for summer to wear. Hopefully this works well on me. I think it would work a lot better on darker and deeper skin tones, but I'm still going to give it a shot in the summertime for sure. So next, I'm going to pull out this, which I think is a shirt or something. Alright, so we have a shirt. Let's open it up. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited! So we got a cute Can't Relate shirt with skeleton snapping its fingers. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I love it. And I did get it oversized, so this is perfect. I can wear it out, maybe with some cute leggings or jeans and like thigh-high boots, but super adorable. Really, really love that skull hand detail. So cute. Alright, so, oh my gosh, is this another, what? Guys, I'm gonna have so many of these mini breaker palettes. Bam. We got another mini breaker, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 mini breakers. So because I already opened the other one that I got in the small box in this video, I'm not going to open this one and show you and swatch it. But yeah, definitely gonna have like at least 1 or 2 of these in a giveaway for sure. Alright, so next we have a lip. We have a Christmas Cookie Lip Velour Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, this is so pretty. I don't know if I have this shade or not. It's like a really pretty kind of soft pink nude shade. Let's swatch it and see. Ooh, that's absolutely beautiful. I love it. So that's what Christmas Cookie looks like. Really pretty soft nude shade. Actually super excited to wear this shade. Alright, what do we got next in here? I'll pull out the lip ammunition that I see. So we have a lip ammunition in snow cone. Ooh. What? Oh my gosh. That is a soft, literally a very soft light green shade. It looks like it has some specks of green in there as well. I don't even know if this one's going to show up at all. Yeah. It's like, it's probably meant to be more of a topper because that is not showing up very much. I don't know if you guys can see that. I think you can actually see that a little better on camera. Really pretty soft green with a little bit of shimmer in it. I think it would be really nice as a topper though. So I'm going to have to try that out with some different lip colors and see how it shows up. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we have a skin frost. So we have a skin frost, which I'm guessing this is a Halloween one. Mystery frost. Wait, is this like just for this box? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to see what this shade looks like. Oh, so same skin frost packaging, and then it has the mystery frost on the back. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, it kind of scared me for a second. So this is what the mystery frost looks like. It's like orange and tan, and it has some black in there, and it's kind of scaring me. I'm wondering how this is going to swatch and look on the face. Okay, but let's swatch a little bit. Oh, it actually blends together nicely, I think. Oh my gosh. I don't know, guys. I don't know, like, I don't know. So, I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but when I swatched it, it came out like a golden color with like just a streak of black down the middle of it. So, I don't know how that's gonna look on the face. I can't picture it. I'll swatch it again. Like, maybe you just have to get through it. It might just be some black on top. Okay, that definitely swatched a lot better after I kind of went through the top coating of it. I don't know if the mystery frost is showing up a little better now. A little more just golden. I think you can kind of still see that little bit of black, which I'm not a big fan of, but I am going to kind of try to, you know, see how it looks on my cheekbone. Maybe it will look a little better, but it definitely looks really cool in the pan. And there's just a close-up of what the pan looks like. So, super cool and funky. Definitely really neat for Halloween. Alright, so next, it looks like we have a gloss. I did get a bunch of his glosses when they first launched, and I do really like the formula of those, so I'm excited for this. Sequin Glass. I don't think this was one of the shades that I got. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. I can't tell. It's kind of like a pink, and it might even be like a duochrome, like a pinkish orange blue. I don't know. It's hard to tell. It does look really, really pretty in the bottle, though. It smells so good. It smells like cake. I love it. Oh, wow. So, yeah, it's definitely, I feel like a duochrome. It's swatching kind of pink and blue. I do really like the formula of his glosses, though. It just glides on really nicely, and it's not sticky at all, so it definitely is a really nice formula. But this right here is what Sequin Glass looks like. I don't know if you guys can catch the duochrome and like the shift in colors. I think you might be able to catch it a little bit, but that's what it's looking like. It does look really neat. I am going to have to try it on my lips eventually and see how I like it. My cat is literally sleeping in the cutest position I've ever seen her sleep in right now. I'm like literally freaking out. Oh my god. Alright, so looks like we're down to the last item, which, if I know correctly, this is a mirror. Alright, let's see. Alright, so I have two of these now. I did get one of these same color in the really large mystery box, so now I have two, so I might even include one of these in the giveaway as well. Anyways, I'm super excited with my boxes. I think these are the best boxes that I've received so far. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!